I've never seen a day that has so much bad news. We'll go over the news, but also the chart. I'll show you what I'm looking at. I've got a few trades open. If you want to follow my signal, link is in the description down below. But I've never seen a day that's so bad in a while. Let's start with the news. First, Bitcoin crashed to $11,000. This is what the Watcher Guru News are seeing. They have a price prediction for that. You can check it on their website. This video is no financial advice. Logan Paul alleged that multiple pump and dump schemes by Zach XBT. Why now? Solana TVL dips 50%. Nomura to launch new crypto. And also we had UK actually looking into regulating stablecoins because of the incident that happened with Duquan, Luna, UST. So sit back, grab a beer, grab a cup of coffee. Let's talk about the news. I want to start with the chart. Right now, we just got rejected of by 30k pretty much at the beginning of the London session. We are at an institutional support area at 29,400-ish right here, these red dots right here. We have the order blocks, the big order blocks where institutions are buying in from 29,000 to 28,000. We've seen this proven to be a very strong support area a few times. The question is, will it hold now? This is one of the things we'll discuss. I do not think it will hold. I think it will break and go to 25k. God forbid Michael Saylor's positions getting liquidated. And don't tell me he won't get liquidated. He took out a lot of loans. His position. There'll be margin calling him, in my opinion. We have a bunch of indicators showing the trend. Basically this, when it goes the ATR, when this, the ADX, when ADX goes above 20, it's basically a trend. So right now we are in a bearish trend on the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart right here, you can see VWAP is down-ish. We are in red money flow for a while. It has not went to green. Yes, this does not mean it's not a good time to buy some tokens, but I don't think that the drama around stablecoins is over. On the 3 hour chart, VWAP is, I mean, there's nothing too good because we also have huge resistance. Look at this. Red, this blue, triangles, signaling reversals, plus order blocks, these red squares here and here, signaling resistance. People bought here and sold here. People are just scalping Bitcoin. They're not accumulating, it seems. A lot of buyings happened here. Actually, a lot of the... I take my words back. People bought in here, here, and here. These people that bought here, you can see the volume spikes, did not sell here. So that's actually a good sign. But in general, I do believe we'll probably go down. We just have too much bearish sentiment. I do believe that the right time to buy is now. By the way, when the fear and greed index is so bad, if we go and open it up real quick, haven't refreshed it in a few days, maybe since yesterday actually. It's at 14. Yeah, 14 is good. Yesterday it was 10. Yeah, around 10 is when I like to buy. Historically, this is a good time to buy. If we go to 1 year, every time if you bought at 10, you would have made money, but we were in a bull run, so I don't know if the game changes for that. I haven't tested that out. We've been on a bull run since I'm an adult, since I'm in high school, on stocks as well. So we've never really experienced a bear market in stocks in the whole world. Yes, we experienced it in crypto, but there was still money around to be chucked into crypto to kind of push this bull run, because we had Tesla, Michael Saylor, ARK, a lot of people, just BlackRock, Grayscale, putting in money because they had liquidity because they're just money around, right? Because of inflation, interest rates, and so on. I'll keep you updated on the price. I just want to give you a warning. I'm not going to be buying here. Might be wrong. It's just my opinion. Subscribe if you're new. Love you guys. See you next one. Bye.